Right, so we will see the answer to the contest number 2. Now, as you can see that the discussion is happening between three friends, and basically the character of the person about whom we have to guess the remedy is getting reflected there, and basically the outcome that is coming out of the conversation is that the person does not stick with something that he decides, constantly keeps on changing his ideas and decisions. So that is basically what is getting reflected. There is indecisiveness and changeability with respect to what he was supposed to do or tell. So basically the outcome coming out of this discussion is that he is basically a kind of a person who does not exactly know what he wants. So that is the reason has that confusion and indecisiveness. So the rubric for that will be definitely mind capriciousness. I think everybody must have got that one. Then moving on, when they were about to go, and the person says that he doesn't wants to be alone, so don't. His roommate is out of town and he will come back only at night. So he don't want to stay alone. So he is asking his friend to drop him at his friend's house. So basically, the interpretation coming out of this discussion is, or this part of the discussion is, desire company for. The person doesn't want to be alone, so there is desire company for. Along with company desire for, there is one more rubric which can be taken, which may have the similar meaning, that is fear alone of being. Fear alone of being or company desire for, both can be taken, and either one of them, whatever you feel is perfectly fitting in with this case, you can take it. Then the person is talking about pain in his chest. He's also saying that his father was a heart patient, and his father had got a cardiac arrest when he was alone at home. So that could be probably a reason why this person has a fear of being alone. So company desire for, and if you compare fear alone of being with this background, I think the fear alone of being suits more, because he has that fear that what happened to his father, he may be also at risk, along with this pain in chest. So definitely there is, when he is talking about checking his BP, definitely he is having that anxiety as well, and along with that anxiety he is having that he may also get that disease. So there are several rubrics which can be considered here. Anxiety with fear is one option, but here the fear is specifically regarding that he may get that disease which his father had. So the more suitable rubric here would be mind fear disease of impending. Mind fear of disease of impending, sorry, mind fear disease of impending, that can be considered here. Then when his friend is trying to give him some moral support, then asking him to concentrate on his present job. Then he's saying that basically what he's saying is that he is not satisfied with his present job. He's saying that he has to work there like donkeys for 12 hours, which means that basically he is not enjoying his work, he is not satisfied, and the salary also is getting over in 15. So basically he is not satisfied with the working condition there, and the rubric that can be considered here would be mind discontented, displeased or dissatisfied. Mind discontented, displeased or dissatisfied can be considered here. And then his friend who knows him very well is saying that you want to start a business, but for that also you don't have that confidence. So basically there is a lack of confidence which is getting reflected here. The rubric that we can consider is mind, confidence, want of self. Mind, confidence, want of self can be considered here. Then he is asking for a good cardiologist, and the reason what when his friend asks for what purpose, then he is complaining that he is having at the evening time he is having his pain in the chest, that he has already told. So that chest pain is basically in the evening. So the rubric for that would be chest pain evening. And then he is also saying that now when I am speaking to you I am feeling that pain too. So when he is talking, that pain is increasing or aggravated. So the rubric for that would be chest pain talking while. Chest pain talking while can be considered here. He is also describing about an incident that happened the previous day when he had to disconnect the call because when he was talking over phone, then he got this pain. So talking while he is feeling this pain more, and in the evening. So chest pain talking while can be considered here. Then his friend is asking him to get a good sleep, but he is also saying that he has problems with sleep as well. The problems that he is describing about his sleep are daily at 2 a.m. he has to wake up. After 2 a.m. he is not able to sleep. So there is a specific rubric for that. Sleeplessness night after 2 a.m. Sleeplessness night after 2 a.m. That is the rubric that will be considered here. So these are all the rubrics that can be ideally considered here, and the remedy that comes out when you put together all this rubric is Kali Ka. So for the second contest the answer is Kali Ka. Congratulations to all those people who have given the right answer. So the third answer to the third contest will be shared today evening, and the differentiating rubrics which can be considered in this case as well as in the first contest video as well as in the third video, everything will be discussed in the combined discussion when we will be going for the lucky draw to select the winner.